Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on this Skoda Octavia 2013 and we're going to be changing the oil and the oil filters, including the cabin filter. The parts were bought from TPS, so they're all genuine parts. They sent me two fuel filters because they were not sure which fuel filter it was. So you can see we've got a longer one here and a shorter one, and we need the longer one because the fuel chamber, as you can see, is the longer fuel chamber. All we're going to be using is a 90mm socket for the oil sump plug. It's a 32mm socket for the oil filter, Torx 25 and a Torx 20 and a pick, and also a T45. So I went ahead and removed the engine tray. So we've got 3 T45 bolts at the back here, the tray, and then 8 T25 around the edges. So we've got 3 there, 4 the other side and 1 at the front. As always, what we're gonna do, we're gonna drop the oil first, removing the oil sump plug. Then for the oil filter, 32mm socket that you're gonna need. The fuel filter is located from underneath the engine, in front of the cooling fan. Right, so here we have it, the old one. Just pull it out, comes off. Remove the old O-ring. It comes with a new one in a package. Gonna fit the O-ring first. As always, there's a little bit of oil here. I'm just gonna lubricate the rubber so it doesn't split when it goes in. The new filter, you have this little plastic here which clicks in place. Right, oil filter back in place, torqued up to 25 Newton meters. Now the oil sump plug, you just want to snug it up. Don't want to go too torquey on this one, otherwise you strip the threads. That'll do. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the fuel filter. I'm going to get this rag around it because you normally get some spillage, so put it there just in case. T20. There are 5 bolts with screws. This back one, you have to be careful, always drop that one. Not today. Then when you remove that, you probably need a screwdriver. I'm gonna get a screwdriver. You want to pry in the edges here evenly. There you go. Very slowly. It's full of diesel there. There we go, it's released. Now if you're gentle with it, go really slowly, you don't get much diesel out. And also, I normally get a pick, hold the filter. That's good. Not much spillage today. You get that drag. That's done. New fuel filter. It comes with a seal around the top, so it's an in and out job. put it in slowly again, otherwise you get spillage everywhere, because the paper filter will absorb some of the fuel. Put the top back in. Let's put it in again. Super simple. Be careful this back one. This one is the tricky one, always drop that. Oh, I've done alright today. Next, the air filter. You have 8 225. Okay, new filter in. Make sure the rubber seal is in all around the edges, otherwise sometimes you can't fit this lead properly. Pretty simple job. There it goes in. Right, so next we're going to do the pollen filter. Remove the glove compartment. Just pull it up. And it comes off. That is our compartment for the pollen filter. Now you just have to pull these tabs down, it comes off. There we go. Right, that's the pollen filter. So make sure you take note of the airflow, so the arrow is pointing down. It's a little bit dirty. Right, new one, nice and clean. Be just the case to push in place. Make sure the arrow is facing down again. Push it all the way. Got the little cover. They got these 3 slots here. It goes in, and then just push down. Okay, so the engine took 4.9 litres of oil. It's pretty much nothing left on a 5 litre can. I started the engine, so I got the oil around the engine. I can show you the levels dead on, pretty good, as you can see there. It's right at the top there, pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead now and reset the oil service lights. Right, so time to reset the service lights. Let me put the ignition on. As you can see there, servicing 200 miles, so we've done just a little bit earlier. Some of this Octavia Mark III, I believe this one is 2013, you are able to do manually, but this one for some reason I never been able to do that, so I'm gonna use my Delphi. So as we got that Skoda Octavia Mark III 2013, service light reset. Okay, we got the ignition on. Now we can choose few options. I'm gonna go for the mileage dependent inspection, because we're gonna set it up on 10,000 miles. Press OK. Ignition on. You will now reset, yes. Press OK. Right, at the moment we've got 30,000 kilometers. Would you like to change? Yes. And now we're gonna put 16,000 kilometers. So let me bring the keyboard. So 16,000 kilometers, which is gonna correspond to 10,000 miles. Press OK. Adaptation in progress. Distance to the next inspection, 16,000 kilometers. Press OK. Function complete. And that's it. Let me cycle the ignition, get that out of the way. So we shouldn't have any warning anymore. So yeah, that warning for the service it's not there anymore. And then if you go to the main computer of the car here, service, and then you see there the next inspection, 10,000 miles, and oil change service in 9,400, that's when the light's gonna come on. And that's it basically. And there you have it. Very easy job. Not that many tools required, apart from the Delphi that I use to reset the service light. Like I said, some of the Mark III Octavias you can do it manually. Some others I haven't been able to, have to use the Delphi. But apart from that, super easy job. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and find it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.